Hey guys, this is Rachel with Cypress Textiles, and today we're going to make the Fuchsia motif from the 2024 VVCAL. I'm going to start as always with a slip knot and a chain 3, and then slip stitch in the third chain from the hook to make a ring. Alright, and into my ring I'm going to make a beginning double crochet, so just go straight into making a single crochet and then chain 1. And then I'm going to make 11 double crochet in the ring so that I have a total of 12 double crochet, including the beginning one. Okay, so now my round is complete and I've joined with a slip stitch in the chain space of the beginning double crochet. And now I'm going to turn my work to the opposite side, and we're going to work from the wrong side here. And in our next stitch, we're going to make 3 single crochet. And then make a bobble, which is just yarn over and insert the hook, pull up a loop, and draw the yarn through 2 loops on the hook. We're going to do that 3 more times in the same stitch. And you're going to have 5 loops on your hook. Now draw the yarn through all 5 loops, and then you're going to make 3 single crochet in the next stitch. And you're just trying to go straight down into the next stitch and make sure that making this single crochet causes your bobble stitch to poke out at the front side of the work. So you've got your 3 single crochet. Now when you turn back around to take a peek, you can see your bobble is sticking out at the front. So we're going to just keep going after those same 3 single crochet in the same stitch. We're going to make a bobble in the next stitch and 3 single crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to see when you're finished, you have 18 single crochet and 6 bobbles. Okay, so here's our next bobbles and 3 single crochet in the next stitch, and you're going to see there's your bubble sticking out to the front. All right, so the round is complete. I've joined with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Now I'm going to turn back to the front to go ahead and work the remainder of the hexagon with the right side facing. So the next thing I'm going to do is make single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch. So this is going to be in the center single crochet of the 3 single crochet group that we made. So in order to get there, we're going to have to slip stitch into the bobble. So just slip stitch in your bobble stitch there and slip stitch in the next single crochet. And then you're going to make a single crochet, chain 3 single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, and you're going to single crochet in the center single crochet of these 3 groups. So you've got your bobble, you're going to skip it. You've got the next single, you're going to skip it and work your single crochet into that center one. And that's what you're looking for there. Single, chain 3, single in that stitch. Chain 3. And single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in that center single. And you're just going to keep working this way all the way around. And I'll show you how it's looking so far. So you have these little single crochet, chain 3, single crochet that are sticking out, and we have a chain space that's just going over the bobble. All right, so the round is complete here. I've made a slip stitch in the first single crochet to join, and now I'm going to work into this chain 3 space here with a beginning 2DC cluster. So just go straight in with a single crochet and chain 2, and then make a treble, and those 2 together are going to be your first 2 treble cluster. Now we're going to chain 2 and 2 treble cluster in the same chain space. So just yarn over twice and insert your hook, pull up a loop, and draw the yarn through 2 loops on the hook twice, and you're going to repeat that again. And then you're going to have 3 loops on your hook. So just draw the yarn through all 3 loops and chain 2. And you're going to make another 2 treble cluster in the same chain space. Chain 2. And 1 more 2 treble cluster in the same chain space. And chain 2. Okay, so here's how it looks there. This is the beginning 2 treble cluster. and you've got 3 more with chain 2 spaces in between and then a chain 2 space after. Now we're going to skip this next chain space and 2 treble cluster in the next chain space and chain 2, and you're going to make that same formation with, you're going to end up with 4 2 treble clusters with 2 chain spaces in between and then a 2 chain space after. So just keep working on, I'm on the 3rd 2 TR cluster in the same chain space here, and now I'm on the 4th one and chain 2. All right, so that's how it's looking there. Don't forget this chain 2 in between. Okay, so just keep going around. We're working this round right now. All right, so that round is complete, and I joined with a slip stitch into the first cluster. So you can see how that round looks, and we're gonna make the second to last round now. So I'm going to go into this first chain space with a slip stitch. So just go ahead and slip stitch into that first chain space, and then you're gonna be able to get to this middle chain space right here where you can make a beginning 2DC cluster. So single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet, and that's the first double 2DC cluster of your round. And then you're going to chain 2 and then 2DC cluster in the same chain space. Okay, and now we're going to chain 3. All right, and we're going to skip this next chain space and work into this next one here that's between these sort of petals, so this one here. And we're going to do a 3 treble popcorn. So I'm just going to make 3 treble crochet stitches and then release the loop from the hook and insert the hook through the first treble, grab my loop and pull it through to the front to close my popcorn. Ooh, I lost my loop there. All right, and then once we get this popcorn closed, we're going to chain 3. Okay, so got my popcorn closed there. Now chain 2, and then another 3 treble popcorn. Okay, there we go. Now we can chain 3. And we're going to skip this next chain space and then work our 2DC cluster, chain 2, 2DC cluster, all in the next chain space. Then chain 3, and now you're up to your 3 treble popcorn, chain 2, 3 treble popcorn in this chain space. And I'll show you how it's looking so far. All right, I'm just going to keep working around. Okay, here is the motif now that second to last round is finished. I went ahead and joined, and now I'm going to make my final round, which is just a single crochet round. So in this first chain space, I'm going to make 3 single crochet, and in the next chain space as well, 3 single crochet. And now I'm up to my corner, which is the one with the 3 treble popcorns. So I'm going to make 5 single crochet in the corner. 3, 4, and 5. And then across these next 3 chain spaces, I'm going to make 3 single crochet in each one. And that's how you're going to work all the way around. If you want to check your stitch count, you should have 84 single crochet on your final round. So just do your 3 singles across each of these 3 chain spaces, and then you're at your corner again. So make 5 single crochet in the corner. And you can see that making 5 singles in the corner kind of really makes it look more like a hexagon instead of so rounded. I think I did 6. So you can see there it's already turning into more of a hexagon versus being so rounded, and this is how it looks when it's complete. So this has been the Fuchsia motif from the 2024 VVCAL, and I'll see you in the next one.